Before you can import your medium data to MBM, you have to export it first. So to do that, you need to be logged into your Medium account, and then you need to go to the settings. So click your profile photo and choose Settings. Then click on the tab called Security and Apps, and then the option to download your information. You should read this information at least the first time, and then click the Export button. As you see, you'll get a message saying you'll get an email from Medium soon. Here I am in my Gmail account, and this is what the Medium download request email will look like. All you need to do is click the Download My Archive button, choose somewhere to save it, and then wait for it to finish downloading. Once you've saved your Medium download file to your computer, you should head over to MBM and select the Import option from the menu. On here, you need to click the Browse button, navigate to the folder where you stored your file, select it, and once the file name appears here, you should click the Import Medium Download File button. After a short while, depending on how large that file is, the screen will redisplay, assuming there are no errors, and you'll see the results of the import. And here we are. What it shows you, apart from the success message, is a list of all the list names that it found on your file, how many articles are in each of those lists, and how many new articles are there that weren't there the last time we did the import. You can also sort these columns by list name, by total number of articles, and by the number of new articles. You can also search for specific lists that contain certain characters. And at the bottom you'll see statistics that show how many entries it actually found. And like with all the pages on MBM, you'll find detailed instructions at the bottom of the page. And that's it. You've imported your first set of articles, and the next video will talk about what to do with them.